What? I got the job? What? But the salary is too low. I can't accept it. Sorry, but I can't accept this offer. Best of luck.
Wait, stop. What are you doing?
Why? I mean, the salary is too low and I want the job, but I can't work for that little.
Then negotiate it.
Negotiate a job offer? Like a used car?
Yes, negotiating a job offer is a common etiquette in the corporate world. The companies will give you a job offer expecting you to negotiate it. They never offer their actual price, and if they do, they'll tell you.
So what do I say? I mean, I want 5 lakhs more, but that just kind of feels rude.
Not exactly. First, respond to them and thank them.
Okay. Thank you so much for this offer, and I'm very excited about the opportunity to join the team.
Then, you need to counter.
However, after reviewing the offer, I'm wondering if you can help me get salary close to 20 lakhs per annum. With my skill and experience, this is more aligned with my market rate.
And finally, recruiters want things to be done, so let them know that you're ready to sign.
If we can get there, I'd be happy to sign today. Okay, so now what? I just wait?
Yup.
Thank God they emailed me back. They said, okay, I just got a 5 lakh raise. What? And it wasn't even that bad.
Yep. That's why you follow my advice. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel and follow for more.